Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and I am so excited to bring you another original card. Again, this is something I just hand drew with a black pen, and I'm going to go ahead and create a card with it. I drew up the hippo from It's a Small World. It is one of my mom's absolute favorite characters in all of the Magic Kingdom. Every time we go by, I remember as a kid, we'd go past the hippo and he'd always have like one eye blinking and one eye open. And I thought, you know what, let's see if I can make her a card that would show off this adorable hippo. So I drew her on up. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get out a bunch of my Copic markers and I'm going to color her in. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and add a little sparkle with some of my glitter pens. So I'll let you go ahead and watch me color this in, and then we'll go ahead and create a card with her in just a few minutes. Now, I will say I am trying to hold the cap of the marker because I had quite a few write me and say, well, can you tell me, Jessica, what Copic marker color you're using? So I'm going to try and make an effort going forward to always kind of include that cap, or at least to show it to you before we start coloring, just to make sure that you guys have those colors. What's so fun is seeing the hippo come to life. I've been to both Disney World in Florida and Disneyland out in California. And in California, the hippo, at least the last time I was there, I believe it still is, was like a pink color. So every time I see the blue hippo, that's how I know she's our Florida hippo. And I think she's looking pretty good. I'm really liking her. When I'm done, I'm going to come back in and add some darker blue shadows. Just as a side note, again, this was just something I doodled up as a fan. It is not a card that I'll be selling. It's for my mom. And it's not a digital image or anything like that that you can pick up. So sorry about that, guys. Alright, so I finished coloring her in, and you can see I just kind of touched up a little bit with the glitter pens. I apologize, I forgot to record that segment, so you can see how it looks. I just added the same color glitter pen in. And then what I did is I have this pack of paper, and this one I got from the Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love their paper stacks. Definitely watch for their coupons, they offer a lot of them. And I thought, you know what, let's put some jungle background in with our adorable hippo. I absolutely love this one. I think it's so pretty. The pack of paper, everything in it is very floral and greens. And so I'm just going to go ahead and glue up the card. Oh, and I ran out, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and replace it. And in case you haven't heard that story, I actually, many years ago, had purchased I probably 100 of the Tombow adhesives. Yeah, maybe more. I don't know. I have a huge crafting bin of them because my boss at the time got a really good deal when you ordered large quantities of them, and so for the past 8+ years I've just been using them up, so that's why I'm still using all my Tombow adhesive, and I actually they're my favorite. I really like them a lot. So let me go ahead and just replace this. The only downfall I see to this is a lot of waste, and that makes me a little sad that that whole cartridge right there is all waste. You know, there's nothing I can do with it anymore. So let me go ahead and just finish gluing this up. Although I will tell you it's very satisfying changing the cartridge because all the glue comes out really well when you first change it out. So let's go ahead and add our palm leaves, our palm tree leaves. And then again, I'm just going to quickly clip off that edge, and you can see there's actually full texture on this paper. It's really nice paper. Oh! What you see there, that's my brand new light. I don't know if you've seen our review. I'll link it down below. Bright Light sent me a beautiful light to try and use. I will tell you what a difference. I use this card. I'm actually making this. It's around 11:30 at night when I made this card. But you wouldn't know because the lighting is so beautiful. So I am extremely happy with that. I'll link the link to find out more about the light that I'm using down below, so if you're interested in checking that out. I am going to make this the simplest card. I really want to make it about the drawing and the coloring. Again, it's not a stamp, it's a card. I hand drew the image, and I'm just going to give it to my mom, so I'm going to go ahead and glue the hippo on down. Don't forget to sign the back of your cards. It's always extremely important to do that. Alright, I think she looks pretty darn good. I'm really happy with her. I can't wait to see what my mom thinks. So, well, as a side note to you, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. If you like what I'm doing, please comment and like below. I would love to hear from you. What's your favorite ride at Disney World? Maybe I'll have to draw that. And if you like what I'm doing, just remember I am the owner and artist of the small business JessicaLynnOriginal.com. We would love to have you come and visit us and make cards using our stamps. Thank you again, and Merry Christmas.